Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can relight your videos on CapCut PC. So for instance, I want to relight this one. It's going to obviously be different, if I try to relight this one. So on this video I'm going to use natural lighting to relight it. So scroll down and select relight, and I'm going to add in this warm light here, or you can use the soft light. There's others that you can choose as well. You can also kind of change the direction a little bit, so the sun's probably coming from here. You can adjust the intensity and the radius as well. You can also change the color here. I'm just going to make it a little bit more neutral. You can also just do the person here, the background, or both. You can also select either point or directional. You can adjust the highlights, the brightness as well. I'm just going to adjust the intensity a little bit more, and on this one I'm going to relight it differently. There is this ambient lighting, creative, and you can also create your own presets. There's this neon one. I like this one. You can again change the color of it. Here you can change the intensity. You can kind of move this around if you'd like to for like where the lighting hits. As well as here, you can again change the color for the other light if you'd like to. For like this area here, there's like purplish area. But that is pretty much it, really super simple. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!